How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can save TikTok drafts to gallery without actually posting them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting, all you have to do is go ahead and make sure to launch the TikTok application here. So basically, after you launch TikTok, let's say that you want to post something but not post it but only save it on your gallery from your draft. So right over here you just select the upload option, or maybe you select a random photo here. Once I just go ahead and record a certain video or photo over here like this, I'll be able to record them for a certain while. And then over here you can see post or everyone can view and so on. So here you can just come back in this case, or you can just go to upload over here. Once you go to upload, just select something that you would like to upload over here. So let me go to videos tab and let me just select something that I want to upload. Once done, tap on next. Now here you can see draft option, but of course this will only save this to my draft, and next time if I just want to save that draft or maybe find that drafts, I will not be able to save it directly from my drafts. So right here I'll just tap the allow option here, and then I'll just tap the plus icon. Here you should be able to find your drafts, right? And what if now if you just tap the all option, what if you want to save that draft to your TikTok accounts or your device? So here you can go to drafts, you select it, but then you can see we don't have the option. So what we instead do is tap the next option here, and then over here what we will do is just select this option called who can view this post, right? Select this and set this to only you, and now make sure save to device is turned on. And when this is turned on, next time whenever you post something, it will basically save it to you, and it will also post on TikTok, by the way, but that video is going to be private, and because it is private, no one else will be able to view it, and it will be saved to your gallery. So this way you can save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.